it's time for me to vlog again. So today, I'm just walking home from school, but I wanted to start here and show you this house, because I swear every time I walk by, they have their sprinklers on. Even yesterday when it was raining, they had their sprinklers on, and it's just ridiculous. And a giant puddle in their thing. It's just crazy to me. They're always on in the mornings and afternoons. It's ridiculous. Anyway, so yeah, I'm walking home from school and taking my favorite shortcut through this church parking lot that I followed some girl into on the first day of school. It wasn't creepy at all. I pretended like I always walk this way. Yep. And yeah, so today I went to school and I did some homework, and after class, like 2 hours after class, so I was starving, the ITE, which is the Institute of Transportation Engineers, had their opening social for this semester, and so they had a big barbecue, and it was great, and I got free food, and I found out that I can sign up for ITE for free because I'm a student, so I signed up for that to put on my resume to look cool. Isn't that great of me? But yeah, it was fun, and I made a new friend named Caitlin. Suddenly I see like all these girls in the Clyde building all the time. It's really weird to me. I'm not used to it, but it's good. Girls in engineering, so yep. And I wanted to tell you something interesting I learned today. I wanted to try to start doing this. Something interesting every day, because my teachers always have random little facts and tidbits and things. But since you've never been to New York and you've never been to the Empire State Building, if you ever wanted to see something exactly the same height as the Empire State Building, all you have to do is come visit me, and we will go to Magna, and we will go to Kennecott Copper's giant, their smokestack, because their smokestack is exactly the same height as the Empire State Building. I bet you did not know that. They built it so tall so that it would reach above the inversion level and all the smoke would not stay in the city. So yeah, that's an interesting fact for today. Oh, I hope the sun isn't too bright on you. Uh-oh. Look at this. I gotta walk by this apple tree every day. Isn't that great? I want to eat an apple. Oh, there's this other weird tree up here too that I wanted to show you. So let's go. There's a flag. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. This tree right here has really weird fruit on it. I don't know what it is. It's kind of spotty. Can't really see it. Like that. Do you know what that is? Because I don't know what that is. Anyway, that's my vlog, so I will see you tomorrow.